Zawukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachuku Nelowa. Awukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachi. Awukwana Marachuku. Alanta on this one. Okeze S.I.O. Bina. Okeze S.I.O. Bina. Okeze one of Ungobawa. On the 29th of December.
You guys, I'm a hot mess this afternoon. I'm so clumsy because I'm in a hurry. Anyways, hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, again in name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle and fashion vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, the average bridal train to do me this year. This is like the 5th bridal train I'm going to be doing this year and the last for this year. Yeah, because this is December 29th. No, this is December 28th, and the wedding I'm going for is tomorrow, December 29th. I'm off to Ngobala now. I'm actually going with Z on demand. Yeah, so without further ado, without further talk, let's dive right into the video.
This is a special dedication to Okenzi and Love S.I.O. Bina, the CEO, Luxury Roof Limited. Okenzi Awukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachuku Nelowa. Awukwana Marachuku. Awukwana Marachi. Awukwana Marachuku. Alanta on this one. Okeze S.I.O. Bina. Okeze S.I.O. Bina. Okeze one of Ungobawa. On the 29th of December 2021. Everybody, you know, if I get many, I get many. Ebe Okeze. Inugeni fenne kunu samarachi wanya mana babubo. Imanesi wanya ma. Aduro tuzunu. Is from a good home. Makana yoyo Okeze. You are from a good home. I wanna come to no. Ha, like mother, like doctor.
So you guys, we are here. We are at the village of the bride. This is the venue of the wedding. I think this is where the reception and the trad are going to take place. Yeah, and you guys saw the clip of how everywhere already looks when we're driving in. But let me just show you guys a short clip. Yeah, Z is coming. She went to look for the bride. She's coming, so you guys can finally see her now. Continue the stepping now. Look at the hot mini she wants to someone's village. See the hot mini she wants to someone.
2021.
Well, guys, that's the bride at the front.
And the chief bridesmaid.
Excuse me. You guys see the bride.
And the chief bridesmaid. Keep repeating that chief bridesmaid part.
Which I called the chief bridesmaid on call today. What did he say? He did not accept it. Oh, we're doing a pool party for the bridal shower.
Yes.
They were now wearing the white and blue. Yeah, it's bikini that we'll use. Let me see, we'll not use the white and blue now.
Who is your husband? Ikwatala yidigi. Amarachi buru mmanya gawa. Okeze chigi kaprala buru mmanya gawa. My lovely daughter buru mmanya gawa digi no. Ikwatala jikoma aga. Amarachi chawati awukwana marachuko iye nile wukwana marachuko awukwana marachuko Amarachi chawati ko awukwana marachuko Amarachi chawati kunusi aniya awukwana marachuko Amarachi kaprala chawati kyo awukwana marachuko Adanna ya chawati kyo awukwana marachuko elama kukonaya our in-law.
Okay guys, good morning. This place is not so clear, but it's morning and we're about dressing up. I'm about doing my makeup. I don't even know how I look. I don't even know if I'm going to post this particular clip. Anyways, I'm about doing my makeup and you're going to be seeing me in a jiffy, so stay tuned and keep on enjoying the video.
This is a special dedication to Okenze and Lolo SIGBO, the CEO, Luxury Roof Limited. Okenze awukwana marachuko awukwana marachuko awukwana marachuko nelowa awukwana marachuko awukwana marachi awukwana marachuko Alanta on this one Okenze SIGBO Okenze SIGBO Okenze one of Ngobawa. On the 29th of December 2021. Everybody, you know. If you get many, you get many. Ebe Okenze. Inugeni fenne kunu samarachi wanya mana babubo.
Guys, we're leaving for mass now. We're already late. It's 11 o'clock mass and I think it's already 11. Oh, good morning. There's my girl. Good morning. Sorry.
Who blocked this? Who where's our daddy?
Chief bridesmaid, smile. Don't.
You people don't like it.
From Molu Ugonna woko marema Alanta Yana Amarachi Ugonna 2021 Okenze SIGBO, son of the song. go balabra like no. Oh yeah no. In my hand na kono no. Abukwana marachuko. Okay, so abukwana marachuko. Abukwana marachuko. Abukwana marachuko. Abukwana marachuko. Behind every successful man, yeah. So you be. There must be a woman around. Hey, what a IGBO love Amaka.
It is an international traditional marriage something. Give that some space. I said, how you doing? I want to see you do the little special.
Amarachi chawati Abukwana marachuko Iye nine bukwana marachuko Abukwana marachuko Amarachi chawati ko Abukwana marachuko Amarachi chawati kunusi aniya Abukwana marachuko Amarachi kaprala chawati kyo Abukwana marachuko Adana ya chawati kyo Abukwana marachuko There is a cake behind you. You made mistake in part and you made mistake in body.
Gives you the wine or anything he gives to you. You know where your husband is. Locate him and bring him to us.
Akanebu bozone me onye me I don't know they should be wedding. No garagwani. I can name wedding every weekend.
This is a special dedication to Okenze and Lolo S.I. Obidna, the CEO, Luxury Roof Limited. Okay, so wukwana marachukwu. Wukwana marachukwu. Wukwana marachukwu nelowa. Wukwana marachukwu. Wukwana marachukwu.